We are watching closely as death row inmates fight Oklahoma's execution protocol.
This is day 3 of the federal trial, and News 9's Ashley Holden joins us live from outside the federal courthouse. And Ashley, you heard today from doctors with years of experience.
Carl and Amanda, one of the most interesting testimonies that we heard from was one doctor who has years of experience in anesthesiology, and she was called as a witness on behalf of the plaintiffs. And again, they're representing the death row inmates in this case. And she says that in her opinion, she feels like these inmates that were recently executed here in Oklahoma, that they experienced extreme pain and suffering. Now, that witness that I'm talking about is Dr. Gail Van Norman. She actually witnessed Gilbert Postel's execution, but she went through all 4 of Oklahoma's most recent after looking at materials and accounts of those most recent executions. And she was noting what she considered conscious movements and also looking at some of those inmates' vital signs throughout this process. She noted as one of those conscious movements, John Grant vomiting. And we actually saw pictures of post-execution what that looked like. She also noted Postel's fingers moving, something that she saw, as well as our own Storms Jones saw, because he was a media witness to that execution as well. And again, she was saying that she feels like these inmates experienced feelings of suffocation, asphyxiation, and even more. Now, the plaintiffs rested their case, so now the state has started with their first witness, and we anticipate to hear from doctors and experts who have very different opinions than the plaintiffs' witnesses that were called. Right now, a doctor who thinks midazolam, which is the first drug in that 3-drug cocktail that we use here in Oklahoma, he thinks it can be used to induce general anesthesia, and even said that it's used to when they put in breathing tubes. Now, again, this is all going to be up to the judge. This is very scientific, and Judge Fryatt has been asking questions, and this decision will be up to him. Live in Oklahoma City, Ashley Holden, Oklahoma's own News 9.